Good morning, good morning. It is December 11th. This is the day we're setting sail for Taiwan. I want to get Ember. We are about to head to the airport and just wanted to give a quick view where we stayed last night in San Francisco. It's awesome. This is day one of the YouTube channel. So if you like these videos, subscribe, and smash that like button. So I'm gonna try boba tea for the first time. Got our boba teas. I like mine. It's delish. Okay, we made it on the plane. It's quite an ordeal for United, which is what we're flying. You cannot get a boarding pass until you go to a desk and check in because they have to verify all your COVID paperwork before they'll even give you a boarding pass. So you have to do that, which is why you can't do online check-in. So that was a bit of a process. Not terrible, but it was okay. Just be nice to people and it gets you a long ways. Alright, so we just got to our quarantine hotel. I'll give another video about how we got here. I was just going to show you kind of what it looks like in the halls. So that you have your trash and your little table. And you just set your stuff out every day on it. And that's how they deliver the food. Room 1518, home sweet home for the next 3 weeks.